Let's leave the country, baby. You look so cute! Hello! Hello you guys, welcome to the vlog. We're reporting live in Tahiti and I got in late last night and so this is my first official day here. The flight actually went by superb. It was great. They totally decked us out with like pillows, blankets, headphones, and it honestly went by really fast. Like I was chilling. It was the perfect balance between working, eating, chilling, sleeping. It was nice. And just to fill everyone in a little bit, I basically am coming here to Tahiti because one of my friends that I met in Hawaii, she's been here for 2 months and she has some friends here that she's been staying with and whatnot. So I basically came mainly because she's here to see her. So I'm gonna be here for the next like 9 days and we're spending a few days here in Tahiti and then we're going over to the island of Moorea. That's where we're gonna be spending the majority of our time. And this morning we actually had a really interesting morning. So essentially Rachel knows like one of the teachers here at the school and she volunteered to like help teach some Hawaiian because the Hawaiian language can be pretty similar to Tahitian a little bit, and I just wanted to bring her in just like speak about the differences. And so I actually was able to sit in on like a Tahitian class, which was really cool, and like just see the dynamic of like a Tahitian school and like just the things that kids wear to school here and just everything. And so they speak French here primarily, and so it just has been a already very interesting experience. And it was like a very beautiful teaching of what they were saying in the class, which I was like, this is not what they teach in freaking America. But they were talking about how like the people here are part of the land and like, you know, you have to listen to your intuition and you more like let your gut guide you rather than your heart. And I don't know, just like very down to earth teachings. And I was like, of course this is what they're teaching in Tahitian schools. It just was amazing. So that's where we were this morning. I didn't vlog too much, obviously, for, you know, didn't want to be rude. And then we went to a black sand beach, which was cool because I've never been to one. And then now here we are. So right now we're staying with one of Rachel's friends, but then tomorrow is when we're going over to the island of Moorea, and that's really where the adventures are really going to begin. Next day, and we are in the main city of Tahiti, basically Papeete, and we're at one of their like really major famous markets here, and it's so cool to see all the different things that they have, like tons and tons and tons of Tahitian pearls, lots of different like colorful dresses and things like that. And I love just seeing all the different cultural things that they have here, lots of hats, and it's really pretty to see all the different art here. First of all, I'm sorry if I feel like I'm just need to warn you guys, there's not gonna be a lot of talking. I feel like especially in the beginning of the vlogs, like my travel vlogs, while I'm like getting warmed up to the space, so I promise we'll get more talkative. But basically this morning we spent the whole time like at the market, like I was saying. I got this cute little bracelet with that Tahitian pearl on it, which is like what Tahitian pearls are like a big thing here, which I didn't even know. But basically the past like 2 days have been a very authentic take of Tahiti. That's why I haven't really vlogged a lot, because we're staying with the Tahitian family, which is who Rachel knows. So, but that's been a really cool experience of being able to sit in like with a real Tahitian family and like being able to sit with them and have a meal and like just hearing a lot about their perspective of just how they feel. And it's very interesting to hear the parallels between how the Tahitians feel towards the French and how the Hawaiians feel towards Americans, which are really, really interesting. So it's been very like humbling and eye-opening just to hear their perspective. But what they both have in common is that like both cultures are like, we love everyone, we just want everyone else to respect our culture and stop like blurring our lines and making us one of everyone else. Like they just want to be respected for the Tahitian culture, just like how Hawaiians still want to be respected for their own Hawaiian culture. Very interesting. This is when I love being able to have these very authentic experiences when I'm traveling, because I just know I wouldn't really have this opportunity otherwise. So very thankful for it. But now we are about to take the ferry over to the other island that we're going to, and honestly the island where we're spending the majority of this trip, and it's Moorea. It's this really small island that's very close to Tahiti. It's only like a 30 to 40 minute ferry ride, but that's where we're gonna be staying. I feel like that's where we're gonna get a lot of like iconic French Polynesian resort vacation vibe. And I'm so excited to go on a boat. Other thing is I was so surprised with how French everything is here. Like even the sirens sound the same of like on the ambulance as it does in France. And like we start our mornings, like I'm saying, we're staying with the Tahitian family, and we keep starting our days with like baguettes and croissants, and like it's just so interesting. Like it's literally total European French vibes, but here on like an island version. It's been insane. Okay, we have just arrived to our Airbnb, and look how precious the outdoor space is. It's all I needed. Beautiful little open little slider. Cute, cute, cute. Kitchen. Then, boom. First little bedroom. Then that goes into a bathroom through there. This also leads to the outside. And this is a really cute big room as well. And then it also comes with little kayaks, which are out there. How lovely, how lovely. And then this is the bathroom, super cute. Shower, superb. And then like I said, it connects into this room and this room. Super cute. And now we are going to go jump in the water. morning, you guys. It is now day 2. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear me very well over the breeze, but I woke up this morning and just felt like being by the water, so came down here, read, did a little stretching, did a little yoga. Feels amazing. It is absolutely beautiful here, and we have such a cute little Airbnb that's so freaking close to the water, and I just really can't believe I'm here, to be honest. It feels like I'm truly on another planet, and when the sun comes out, like, the water here is so blue. It's just absolutely stunning. Like, I really feel like I'm on another planet. Like, I would describe this, all like the greenery and everything, like the nature aspect is literally like Hawaii but on steroids, like just more and bigger and just more exaggerated. The mountains here are super tall, super sharp, so freaking beautiful. And I don't really know what our plan is for today. I think we're gonna sting with some stingrays. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb, see what's everyone's up to. Alright people, it's day 3, I believe. I don't know, it's Thursday. And we came to a little cove, not cove, but luscious vicinity with wicked blue water, super teal. Also, I'm looking at like 3 different shades of blue right now, and it's stunning. I've never seen water this color in my entire life. And we're snorkeling a little bit. I just found a few shells, and it's stunning. Last night we made some homemade sushi, which was for the first time. I've never had that, which was good. When I say we, I mean Lauren. She crushed it. And we played some cards, and now here we are, enjoying a sun-filled day, potentially gonna go on a boat later today. I seem so unenthused. Something to say, Rachel, because she's talking shit. Because I get nervy when there's new peeps around. I don't want to be like, hey, be in my vlog.
You can ask them.
Do you mind signing this waiver to be in my vlog, in the background of my vlog? Well, that's the thing, then I put the camera on and everyone's like, so it just doesn't work out.
Right now we're on the island of water, and as you can see over there, there's Tahiti.
There's what? Is that in?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's Tahiti?
Yeah, that's Tahiti.
Oh, I'm gonna pretend like I knew. That's Tahiti, guys. That's where we came from. Wild. Yeah, but yesterday I feel like I guess I didn't really actually speak yesterday to you guys, but we went and swam with stingrays and sharks in the morning, and that was an interesting experience. I definitely was super nervous in the beginning, but they felt like kind of squishy, soft, They grew on me eventually, but I was definitely really nervous in the beginning. And there were some reef sharks there, but it was super cool, and we kayaked, and it was just like a really lovely morning. And then we went to a waterfall, which is my favorite thing on this entire planet, and it was like the perfect distance for a hike.
Hey guys, so this is our geography history lesson. This is a
Leho.
and there's a snail in there, or what's in there?
Yeah, like a slug kind of snail thing.
A slug snail thing. Check it. Rad sauce. Meow.
Okay boys, we're about to play a tennis tournament out of nowhere. We have tennis rackets and there's a tennis court near our little Airbnb. So you already know Lifit was unintentionally prepared with my 40-year-old mom tennis skirt, athletic wear top, and the visor. I was made for this. Either tennis or golf, and we got 1 for 2 right now, so. I was made for this.
Backhand! Oh!
Home run.
Wait, I want to practice an overhand. 3, 2. My instinct right now, I seriously. She's up like this. Alright, I'm just gonna do a normal bounce one.
Here goes Rachel Kapule. Up next. Ooh. No. Wait, I'm impressed you played with this in your hand.
Oh yeah, because tennis is a one-handed sport.
Oh, Rachel, I actually didn't know. We got the ref.
Oh, that's actually okay.
I got.
Rachel, that was so good!
Hey, that was a nice try.
Dude, that was good! That was US Open level! Okay, so then you move slowly out. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. That looks like fun, actually.
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
Rachel with the lunge.
Alright, you're up.
Here we go. Let's
Oh.
go.
Yeah, you guys can call your partner back.
Honorable, let's go.
Should we take?
It's like our last one, our second one.
Oh! Damn! Are you okay?
Oh my god, you went for it.
It's now Friday and I've been wanting to see sunrise this whole time, and I've been waking up early here, but like I keep barely missing it because I haven't been setting an alarm or anything, and the sun's definitely already up. But anyways, this is our last morning here at this Airbnb because Rachel and her boyfriend Lakia are going to a hotel for this weekend. I'm getting a different Airbnb, and then Lauren, Ty, and Greta are staying in this Airbnb tonight, but then they're leaving tomorrow, so that's why we kind of needed to shift around a little bit. Okay, this is so gorgeous.
And then we have Lauren and Greta are set sail on their kayak, and we're gonna go to those islands over there.
Little scene change and update. I'm officially now at my Airbnb and I'm literally obsessed with where I'm staying. I like can't get over it. It's a dream and it's so cute and I can't wait to show it to you guys. This is us walking into it. I love all just like the woodwork. Okay, so cute. So we have a little couch, TV. I love as many windows as I can. So we have this huge slider plus this huge thing that opens up. I'll show you guys that in a second. But then this is the kitchen, super cute island. Like, I love this. This is so cute. Okay, those are my groceries that I got. Super cute, kind of like pale yellow cabinets. I just love everything about this. There's like a little attic up there. We have this, super cute. Looks out to the front yard. It's in like this little gated yacht lot. Cute little fire pit thing there. Then it has a little half bathroom right there. And then going into the bedroom, super cute. We have a desk so I can get some work done. Bed, the bathroom, super luscious, and I love it. I'm just obsessed with Airbnbs, and that is so cute above the bed. And this is just the best part. This whole entire back patio is to die for. And the hammock, like, that's where I'm gonna be, please and thank you. But this is what I meant. It's like this little thing that opens up into a bar. How freaking adorable is that? I have a little table here, and then we just have all this, like, I love all the greenery and like the bamboo. I have another little table there, a little walkway through here, outdoor shower. Like, it's just so cute. Look at this. I'm just obsessed with the whole entire outdoor space, and like that's what sold me. Like, I love this life. I love this life.
Like if you eat too much popcorn, you get a headache.
You feel weird and bad.
I feel like almost distressed. Like such a stress.
I don't even. That's what happened to me.